Ciao everyone, I'm Gianluca and in this video I will tell you which one is the best on-the-shelf wheelchair for you, your grandma or for everyone who is looking for a non-custom wheelchair. The answer is easy. It depends. What? What? What do you mean? Yes, it depends, because there are many aspects that we have to consider. First of all, why do you need a wheelchair? How long do you usually be sitting on it? Where will you use it? Outdoor? Indoor? Can you self-propel it, or there is a carer who will push the wheelchair for you? What is your height? What about your weight? Remember what your dad said. Don't ask a girl what her weight is. I know, but I have to. And let's keep going. Do you need to fold it to fit the wheelchair in the car? Do you need a crash-tested wheelchair? And last but not least, what is your budget? Money doesn't make you happy, but they give you a better wheelchair. Oh my god, there are too many things that I have to consider. Don't worry, it is more simple than you think. The majority of the wheelchairs come in different sizes, usually 16, 18 or 20 inches. Self-propel means that the user can propel the wheelchair by itself, while transit comes with two small back casters, so it can be recommended for someone who has a care that can push the wheelchair. Okay, now that I've just finished my really small introduction, let's talk about the best 6 wheelchairs 2021. Finally, Hero Medical Further Lite wheelchair. This wheelchair only comes as a transit wheelchair and in 18 inches. But you just said the wheelchair usually comes in 16, 18, 20 inches, self-propelled transit, and now? I know, but I also said that the budget is important, and this one is a really good economic option. I would recommend it if my grandma wants to go out once per week and she usually gets tired walking outside, so you can leave it in the car and just take it out when you need it. It is a really light option, it is only 8.9 kilograms. Days wheelchair. It is slightly more expensive than the Hero one, but it is stronger. The weight is 10.2 kilograms without the back wheels, so it means that we can take off the back wheels, fold it and put in the car. Sunrise Medical Breezy Basic Wheelchair. I like this wheelchair because it is one of the only wheelchair that gives you the option of some custom measurements. We can easily change the depth from 16 to 18 inches. And if we want, we can also move the backrest up to 20 inches. It is also crash tested, so it can go in the special taxi. Don't you need to buy the headrest to go in the special taxi? Right! It is an accessory. Then we can move the armrest back and forward or up and down. Plus we can swivel them. This one can facilitate the transition to the wheelchair to another seat or to the bed. We can also increase or decrease the seat height, plus this wheelchair comes with a foam cushion. So, deal! I'll buy it. Wait, you can watch the video until then and then you can decide. I love it, I love that chair, but it is a little bit heavy. Karma Ergo Lite Deluxe wheelchair. Look at that. It is only 8.1 kilograms for the transit and 8.3 kilograms for the self-propel. It is really easy to fold. So, if the carriers struggle with the other wheelchairs, it means that this one is your wheelchair. Ergonomic seat, padded backrest and seat. And it is one of the only wheelchair with the push-down brake system. It is the most expensive standard size wheelchair that I'm displaying to you today, but it is a really good product. Moving forward, if you need a bigger size wheelchair, I would suggest the Breezy EC2000 HD. It is a huge wheelchair and it can support up to 204 kilograms, and it comes in 22 and 24 inches. It can be folded and it can go in the car, but it is heavy, it is 25.8 kilograms. Our last product for today is the Azalea. If you have to spend the majority of the day on a wheelchair and you are not a really active person, would you suggest a custom wheelchair if the client was an active person? Yes, I would, but if not, the Azalea is a really good product. It is a tilting space wheelchair, so we can change the body point pressure by only tilting the chair. We can tilt the leg rest up and down. It comes with a foam backrest and cushion, but I would prefer to buy a pressure relief cushion if you go for that wheelchair. We can custom the seat depth and width, plus we can increase or decrease the armrest height. It is a crash test wheelchair and it can go in the special taxi as it is because it already comes with the head support. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and please leave a comment and let me know what you think about it. If you know that there is some better equipment that I didn't mention, write that down so we can help our community to be informed about new equipment. Thank you so much and arrivederci!